Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be unboxing the fall 2018 Supernatural Join the Hunt box from Culturefly. So this is a quarterly box. I've already gotten 3 of them. So I believe in my last video I said that box was the fall box because I just assumed the first box was a spring box. Apparently it wasn't, and I was mistaken. One of my subscribers commented, I can't remember your name, I'm so sorry, but you did comment saying that you believe that the fall box had not arrived yet, that the other one was a summer box, and you are correct. So this is the fall box that I just received. I received this about, I don't know, 2-3 days ago. So this is the fall box, and I'm really excited. As always, I love Supernatural. I love the show. I've been watching since the beginning. I own like the first 6 seasons on Blu-ray, and I'm probably gonna buy the rest of them too on Blu-ray. Well, once I have the funds. And I just love I love the show. I love the characters. I love the actors on it, and I really love this box. So Culturefly has other boxes as well. They have a Game of Thrones box, a Nickelodeon box, and some other one-off boxes that they do. This is like the only like official Supernatural box that I know of. So everything in here is officially licensed for the show, and it's items that you can't get anywhere else pretty much. So I love opening this box, and I want to get right into this. So let's go. Now this comes wrapped up in plastic. I took the plastic off just to make it easier, and right here you can see it's a large because I get the large size for any t-shirts or wearables. So let's just open this up, and that's what you see. All right, so let's get into this. I'm so excited. All right, so let's go first with the item, the spoil. There's 2 items that they did like spoilers on, which I already saw because I just can't help myself. I have to look at spoilers. Like if they say spoilers ahead, I'm like, oh hells yeah, click click click. I cannot control myself. So if there's a spoiler, I'm gonna look at it. So the first item they spoiled was this item, and it is so cool. So let me get it out of the plastic. Sorry for the annoying plasticky sounds. There we go. All right, so this is too much plastic. So this is like a throw pillowcase. How cute is that? It is so cute. It's adorable. So we have like the main players basically on the show. So we have our boys. We have Sam, right over here. We have Dean. Then we have Castiel. Or actually, wait, I think it's the other way around. Yeah, I'm looking at the back. They have the same design on the back. Castiel's over here, and over here's Crowley. Not to spoil anything, but I don't know what the deal is with Crowley right now. I don't think he's on the show anymore. But who knows? I've actually met him at Comic-Con. Mark Shepard, he's the actor that plays Crowley. So awesome. I had the only fangirl moment. It was really embarrassing. Like, usually I'm pretty cool, I get autographs, and yeah, I'm excited, I shake their hand, I try to have a little convo, because, it's a once in a lifetime thing usually, unless, you decide to spend another, like, $60-80 to get their autograph another time. But, yeah, I lost my mind. I have no clue. My husband was like, wow, I have never seen you like that. I was like, I don't know what happened. Like, I approached the table, his staff is there, and they're like asking, okay, so it's whatever it was. I got an autograph and a picture, so it was like, oh yeah, here's the money, cash only, blah blah blah. So we're trying to figure that out. Meanwhile, I couldn't even function. Like, I don't even remember what happened when I met him. I had my pop because I brought like my Funko Pop of Crowley, the Hot Topic exclusive, if anyone knows about that. So I brought that for him to sign it. And so I give it to him, and I'm like babbling, and he made a comment like, oh wow, the pop, and no clue what he said to me. I was like, I don't know what to do, losing my mind. I banged into the table, knocked down his sign. It was so embarrassing. He probably thought I was a freak. He was like, wow, this freak of nature, let me sign her pop and get her the hell out of here. Oh no, I have to take a picture. Yeah, because then he had to come around after I knocked down all his stuff and to take a picture with my husband and I was so embarrassed. But I'll see if I can insert the picture that we took. Like, I look completely normal in the picture, like really cheesy and happy. Yeah, no, total blank, like lost my mind, couldn't see, no idea. We walked away. I started crying. Yeah, because I felt so embarrassed by how I lost my mind. My husband was like, what's wrong? I'm like, oh my God, I don't know what I did. I'm so embarrassed. And I started crying. It was so embarrassing. Yeah, and I wasn't crying because I met him, because that was awesome. That was amazing. Like, he's so cool, his accent. Oh God. Anyway, I was crying because I made a total jackass out of myself. So yeah, Mark Shepard, if for whatever reason you ever see this video, I apologize for destroying your booth and acting like a freak. Yeah, there we go. So this is really cool. I like it. I think I have a little pillow that would fit. It's kind of funny, like with the little balls on the end. I'm like very like Dia de los Muertos style. I don't know. Like I can't even. Yeah, and it has like the way they did it. It's very like if you look at the Guadalupe, like the Mexican interpretations of the Virgin Mary, they generally have her surrounded by this halo, which is kind of funny. Like, and I think that's what they were going for, like a Dia de los Muertos style, because it has the skull at the bottom with the flowers, and then all these little tassels around it. Very cute. I like it a lot. So, and it's like velvety. It feels very velvety. I like that. Okay, next item. Deadly. Okay, so we have our spoiler card. Let's put that down. What's this? Oh, okay. Oh, we have our Crowley collectible vinyl. So you can see him right there. Let's see if I can take him out. We also got, I believe we got Dean, and then we also have Castiel, which I thought was strange because I remember I compared the boxes, and like the boxes were different sizes, but the figures are to scale, like they match each other. I can't get them out. Ugh. Look, even your vinyl, Crowley. Mark Shepard, what are you doing to me? I can't get you out. Whew. Too bad I didn't get this box. I would have got him to sign this too. So this is Crowley. Let's make sure you guys can see that. Really cute. It's very stylized. Like, it doesn't look like him. Like, if you just saw this figure like on a shelf, you wouldn't know who the hell this is. Like, that's the one thing I kind of don't like about these figures, is that they're not, like, they should have some more identifying characteristics, because unless you're really, like, crazy fan, you're not going to know who this is. Like, it would have been cool if maybe they did the red eyes on him, like the demon eyes or something, or, I don't know, I don't even know what they could do to have it, like, it says Supernatural on the base right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Supernatural joined the hunt. So, you know, that's how you know it's from the show. But just looking at it, I wouldn't think Crowley right off the top of my head. But it is a very nice figure, and it is exclusive to this box. These are made specifically for Culture Fly, and they are licensed by Supernatural. So Supernatural, you know, whoever approves these things for the show, approved this. This has been approved by Supernatural. So that's our Crowley figure. And we have a wearable. Ooh. And they package everything so nice. It has like tissue paper. Very nice. All right, so we have a green shirt. Ooh, okay, so it's green with like a darker green pocket. I don't know. I think the color, yeah, the color's coming off accurate on the camera. And then the back, it has salt and burn. So that's what the boys do with all those the bones to get rid of the ghosts and stuff. You salt them and you burn them. So that's kind of cool. Like, you know, looking from the front, it's like kind of a normal shirt, just weird colors. And then in the back, it has the wings and the devil's trap. Salt and burn. I like that. So this is really cool. Again, it's licensed Supernatural item. Very awesome. Then, oh, I meant to do the two items that were spoiled. So this was the other item that they actually did a spoiler on. I think this was the second spoiler. So they did the pillow was the number one, and then this was the second item that was spoilered. So this is Ruby's knife, I believe. Yep, Ruby's demon blade necklace. So if you watch the show, you know that Ruby is the one who appeared with the blade that, you know, you stab the demons and poof, they're electrocuted, kind of like the same thing that the cult does when you shoot them. So the demon blade does the same thing. It kills demons. Not all of them though. Only the lower powered ones pretty much. But this is really cute. Let's see if I can open it up. Alright, so we have it all out of the packaging. And here we have the Ruby's Demon Blade. I like the detail on the item. Oh, that is very detailed. So it has like a brown handle, so it looks like wood. It's all metal. You can see, I don't know if you can see that good. And then it has like the symbols car etched into the blade. Very nice. I don't think this is like sterling silver or anything, so that might be an issue for me wearing it. Let's see, it doesn't say. Yeah, it doesn't say if it's sterling silver or not. It probably isn't. And I get like allergic reactions sometimes if it's not real, like real material, like gold or sterling silver. But I can wear things for a little while, so I'm gonna put this on right now. Yeah, perfect, looks great. If my neck starts itching, I'll let you know. That means it's not sterling silver. And then we have a tattoo. So we have here a devil's trap tattoo. Awesome. Really cool if you're gonna cosplay, which by the way, I'm sure you noticed when I put the picture up of me with Crowley, I was totally like repping Supernatural. So yeah, I had the Bobby hat from one of the previous boxes that says Idjit. I had like a flannel, like, yeah, I had the bag from Culture Fly. I was a walking Culture Fly Supernatural advert at New York Comic Con. This would have been awesome. I totally would have put this on somewhere. I don't know where though, because it's like everything's covered on my cheek or something. That would have been funny. Alright, so here we have Sucrocorp syrup dispenser. I feel like I should know what this is referencing, but I don't. So if you know what this is referencing from Supernatural, please comment down below, because I feel like I should know this. Woo! Ugh, I hate when it has this like packaging, but it did keep it in one piece. So here we have a syrup dispenser, and it is glass. So let's just open this up so I can get the plastic off of it. The top is not metal, this is plastic, but this is glass. It says hand wash only. Yeah, so the top is not metal, which is kind of disappointing, but it is a glass container. Ugh, I hate when I can't line up the handle properly. Ah! So, let's see. It does work. Alright, so here you can see it says Sucrocorp, and then on the other side it has the Supernatural logo. I'm trying to like show you guys. It's clear, so it's kind of difficult to see. But yeah, this top part is like not metal. It looks like metal, but it's plastic. So this is this will easily break. But this part is glass, so that's kind of cool. I don't know what it's referencing. So like I said, comment down below if you know exactly what this is referencing on the show. I hate that I can't line it up. I'll have to mess with that a bit. Oh, I'll put this on the side. But that's pretty cool. I like that item. I don't have a syrup dispenser, so that's cool. I can definitely use that. Then we have another necklace. Ooh. Oh, this is a charm bracelet with the anti-possession charm. So here you can see that. That's cool. So kind of the same thing, except it's a bracelet. That looks like a humongous bracelet, but it's all links, so you can make it as small or as large as you want. Well, not as large as you want, as large as it'll go, or smaller. So I probably need to make it a little smaller. But yeah, this is nice. I like that. Then the final item is our print, which we've gotten a print in every box. Let's see. It's like the print's always hard to take out because it's like the same exact size as the box. There we go. All right. Oh, so we have Crowley, join the hunt, King of Hell. So you guys see that? Yeah, that looks so good. It's so funny because I feel like this is like a Crowley-centric box in the sense that we have the Crowley figure, the poster, and I made such a big fool out of myself last month when I went to Comic-Con with Crowley. Yeah, Mark Shepard. Anyway, this is a cool poster. I like that a lot. I like the artwork. Very cool. So let's see. Where was the spoiler card? As always, like these boxes are chock full. So this is empty. That was everything in the box. Let's see the spoiler card. All right, Salt and Burn Pocket Ringer Tea. Sucrose Syrup Dispenser. Still don't know what that's from. Throw Pillow Cover. Ruby's Demon Blade Necklace, which I'm already rocking. Anti-Possession Temporary Tattoo, which is down here. Crowley Vinyl Figure. The Art Print. And Anti-Possession Charm with Bracelet, which is over there. So that's really cool. You can see everything in the box. These boxes come out, it's 4 times a year, so it's a quarterly box, and it's about like $62. I'm gonna link it down below. You can go check it out. I think it's worth it though. You get a lot of interesting items, and they're unique, like things that you're not gonna get in any other box. The value in this box, I don't think it's quite meeting the value. You know, the jewelry is nice. I like it, but it's kind of, you know, this is something that it's not sterling silver. There's no way. And you know, I like the detail in the blade and everything, but these at max you could get something like this for maybe like, I don't know, $6-7, you know, at like a Claire's kind of place or something. The art print, it's not really like art, like it's like on a poster board kind of thing. So that's like a, you know, $2-3, not even. The most valuable things here, I think, are the shirt, obviously, which this could be anywhere from like $12 to $15 because it's licensed, and the pillowcase, which the pillowcase, you know, $8 to $10, but still, this box was $60-something. The figure is not the best quality. I don't know how much I would give that, but yeah, it's a little disappointing with value, but I love Supernatural, so I love every item in this box. So if you're into Supernatural, the value is in the fandom in a way. Other boxes have had more value because they've had more unique items. Like you can see right here, I still have that little like candle holder, that the spinning one with the anti-possession pendants. Like that's unique. That's worth, to me, a lot. You know, it's not something you're gonna find anywhere else. The other item that I think they meant to be valuable would be the syrup dispenser, but like I said, it is glass. But I don't, you know, this is plastic. That's not like, I'm like the syrup dispensers at like IHOP are better quality. That's terrible to say, but yeah, I feel like, I don't know, this box is not as good as previous boxes. Even though I like every single item, I do feel that the value fell short of the price of this box. But yeah, let me know what you think. Comment down below. Do you think the value was there? Either way, I don't care in that sense because I love every item. I love Supernatural. I will continue to get this box. But compared to previous boxes, I don't feel that this hit the value of the price tag. So, you know, I don't know. I'm kind of left a little in the middle with this box. But if you like my content, if you like my channel, hit the like button, click the subscribe. Let me know you're out there. Bye-bye for now.